Here we go.
Bonjour tout le monde! Hi everybody! Hola a todos! Je m'appelle Jamie. My name is Jamie and I am so thrilled to see all of you here today. We're gonna have an absolutely musical time together. J'espère que vous êtes prêts à vous amuser. I hope you guys are ready to have some fun. Espero que estáis listos para jugar. Alright! Anyway, today is a very, very special day because we're celebrating friendship. And who better to celebrate friendship with than all of you? And of course, one of my best friends, Minnie Mouse. We're gonna play our favorite game together. Aujourd'hui est une journée très spéciale parce que nous célébrons l'amitié et rien de mieux que de célébrer l'amitié qu'avec vous tous et bien sûr ma meilleure amie Minnie Mouse. Nous allons jouer à notre jeu préféré. Vamos a jugar a nuestro juego favorito. But we'll get to that later. Now, before we actually start playing, I'd like to get to know you a little bit more. Like, where are you from, for instance? So let's see. Who's from really, really far away? Raise your hand. Yes, where are you from? Mexico! Wow, that's far. Now even further away than Mexico. Anybody? Raise your hand. Yes, maybe at the back. Peru, it's kind of similar, the same a little bit. Yeah, wow, we have, yes. Colombia, well, we have people from all over the world. Isn't it amazing how Disney magic brings people together? C'est merveilleux de voir autant de gens venus du monde entier. Es como una gran fiesta de amigos. Alright, so as I was telling you, today we're gonna have a musical adventure with a game and we're going to need your participation. Donc, comme je vous l'expliquais avec Minnie, aujourd'hui, nous allons jouer à notre jeu musical préféré et nous allons avoir besoin de votre participation. Vamos a tener nuestra propia aventura musical. Les va encantar. So, ready for some fun? Yeah? That's the spirit. And remember, today is all about making new friends and celebrating friendship with the help of Disney music. Alors, dans quelques instants, nous allons entrer dans Cupcake Hall. In a couple of seconds, we're going to go into Cupcake Hall. You'll see we have a kids zone just for the kids right in the middle. Donc vous allez voir, on a une zone réservée pour les enfants juste au milieu. Allez-y, suivez-moi. Come along, everybody, follow me. Et bienvenue à Cupcake Hall. So, as you guys can see, there's a kids zone right in the middle. And kids can come at the front. There's more space over here for the children if they want to, but make sure to stay behind the round patches you see on the floor. And for those of you slightly at the back, don't worry, it's not because you're at the back that you're not going to participate, alright? Okay, welcome everybody, welcome to those of you who just told us. Don't hesitate to use all the space you want. Bienvenue à tous ceux qui viennent de nous rejoindre. Bienvenue à Cupcake Hall. Allez-y, entrez, entrez. N'hésitez pas à utiliser tout l'espace. Et encore une fois, il y a de la place pour les enfants juste ici devant. Wonderful. Everybody here? Good. Now, please welcome the one you have been waiting for and everyone's best friend, the one, the only, Minnie Mouse. Hi, Minnie. Hey, look, all of our friends are here.
Bonjour mes amis. Oh, vous êtes tous là. Je suis tellement contente de vous voir. Regardez ces délicieux cupcakes que j'ai fait pour vous.
Yum!
Ils sortent tout juste du four. Je vais les poser ici pour plus tard.
Okay, I can't wait. Thanks, Minnie. They look delicious. Now, everyone, Minnie and I love to play a game called Name That Song. And we want to share it with you. So here's how it works. We'll hit this buzzer and the song will start playing. Then you have to guess the song as quickly as you can.
Oui, c'est ça, Jamie. Quand nous appuierons sur le buzzer, vous devrez deviner la chanson le plus vite possible. Nous allons passer un moment fantastique ensemble. Vous êtes prêts pour l'aventure?
Are you guys ready? Yes? ¿Estáis listos? Sí, y vámonos. ¿Cómo se llama esta canción?
First song.
Can anyone guess the song?
Hi ho.
Trouvons le
It's hi
titre
ho.
de cette chanson.
Hi ho.
try another one. Essayons-en une autre.
Okay, what's next?
Et celle-là, vous la connaissez?
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Alors, je l'ai entendu, plus fort.
Magnifique! Vous l'avez deviné!
Say it loud enough, you're always so precocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Now for a slightly harder one. Ready?
Harder one.
Minnie, that's our summer holiday song. Alors, vous la connaissez?
Bravo, les amis! Regardez!
Look at all the bubbles. Can you try to count them?
I popped one. Yeah, I only popped 2 bubbles. Okay, 3. I popped 3.
Now, let's see if you can guess the next song. Celle-là est très dure et personne ne la connaît.
Wow.
Vous la connaissez?
I knew she may let it
Qu'est-ce
go.
que c'est? Plus fort!
Yeah.
What is it? La quoi, là?
Oui, c'est moi, il fait un peu froid ici.
C'est quoi? Ah, oh, la Reine des Neiges.
Oh. Confetti to represent the snowflakes.
Hey, hola, how you doing? Oh, someone's a little shy. À bientôt, Olaf. Okay, so our final buzzer is a very, very special one. I hope you guys are ready.
Oh, Jamie, je pense qu'il est temps de dévoiler à nos amis notre petite surprise.
That's right, Minnie. Now it's time for the surprise.
Je vais mettre ces cupcakes au frigo pour qu'ils refroidissent plus vite. Je reviens.
Okay, should we wait for you, Minnie?
Oh non, continuez sans moi et j'arrive tout de suite.
All right then. See you later. Minnie will be right back. Minnie revient dans quelques instants, but in the meantime, are you ready for the last buzzer? El último timbre.
Right. The mystery song is Hakuna Matata. More like Hakuna Mufasa.
Regardez, c'est Timon. Hakuna Critter, it's your favorite meerkat.
Wow, that's an entrance!
Bienvenue, Timon. Prêt pour notre petite surprise?
Hakuna Matata dance party! Right up! Hakuna Matata style! Hakuna Matata! Hakuna Matata! Hakuna Matata! Hakuna Matata! Hakuna Matata!
Good job, everybody. Well done.
Si on prenait tous ces jolies photos pour nous souvenir de ce moment musical.
Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like what you've seen, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe today and turn on the notifications to be notified on new videos. And I hope to see you on the next video. Bye.